Hello everyone with a surprise live session, because in all my wisdom I had forgotten to mention the sizes of the Welcome Quilt during the quilt along. Thank you Shelly for mentioning that. So now I'm going to do a short video where I tell you the sizes of the quilt. Of course, it being a 9-patch and a square in a square in a square, you can adjust the sizes to your own preferences, but let me first tell you the sizes I've made. As I said, it consists of a big square, a medium square, and a small square. To me, the big square is 20 centimeters. I don't know how much that is in inches, I'm very sorry. The other one is 10 centimeters, and the small ones are 5 centimeters. And you can draw it very easily by just making a square on graph paper by 20 by 20 centimeter, which you divide in 4 smaller ones, and those ones you divide in 4 smaller ones again. And that is also exactly how you make a differently sized square. For example, you can make it smaller, and then you just divide it in half, and then you divide it in half and half again, and then you have the same kind of pattern pieces but with a different size. So, and I hope this explains it better to you. In the pattern it looks like this. The big one is 20 by 20 centimeter. The smaller one is 10 by 10. It looks bigger because there's seam allowance, and the smallest one is 5 by 5. That's are the sizes. That's my story for today. Let me keep it quick. Good luck with the Welcome Quilt, and if there are any more questions, also feel free to let me know.